With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. In the situation shown, force required to just move the body up the inclined plane is double of the force required to just prevent the block from sliding down the plane. The coefficient of friction between the block and the plane is this. Angle of inclination of the plane from the horizontal is given by. So if you see here the normal reaction will be acting in upward direction and the component of G will be there along the plane and perpendicular to the plane. Along the plane component will be mg sine theta. You can see here if this angle is theta, this angle will also be equals to theta, this angle will be 90 minus theta, right? So this will be mg cos theta and this is n. From here I can write down n is equal to mg cos theta. Now if I write down the limiting friction available here, it will be equals to mu times of n. N here is mg cos theta, so I will write it is mg cos theta. Now if you see, it is given that the force required to move up the plane. So let us calculate the force required to move it up the plane, right? To move it just up the plane. Required to just move it, right? So just move it, what does it mean? It means that it is the force that will make the block move with constant velocity, right? With just zero acceleration. So here the F will act in this direction and mg sine theta and friction force, limiting friction force will act in this direction. Since the block is moving, so limiting friction force will act in this direction. Let's say this is F1. So I can write down this F1 is equals to mg sine theta plus limiting friction, which is equals to mu mg cos theta. Now in the second, it is said that just prevent the block from the sliding. The force required just prevent the block from the sliding. So what does it mean? It means that the block will slide. Why? Because the mg sine theta will be more than the limiting friction, then it will slide, right? So what will happen here? If you see, if I make a diagram, you will get to know that in this case, the friction force will be acting in upward direction and the force will act with it. Let's say F2 is the force with the limiting friction, so that it can prevent this mg sine theta from sliding the block down. So from here I can write down this F2 is equals to mg sine theta minus Fl, that is mg sine theta minus mu mg cos theta. So it is said that this F1 is equals to 2 times of F2. Put the value. So I will write here, I will take mg common here, mg sine theta plus mu cos theta is equals to 2 mg. Again I will take mg common. This. So this mg will get cancelled out and I will write this sine theta plus mu cos theta is equals to 2 sine theta minus 2 mu cos theta. Now if you see here, the sine theta is equals to 3 mu cos theta, right? From here I can write down this tan theta is equals to this and the theta will be equal to tan inverse of mu, 3 mu. Very simple. So this will be the relation between theta and mu. So if you check the option, tan theta is 3 mu is D. D is the correct option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.